How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Fortress, the YouTube channel where I help fix your tech related problems and help educate you on the latest tech and more. If this is your first time here, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you're the first person to watch the latest Tech Fortress videos. In this video, I'll show you the applications required to do this, how to use the applications, and how to set up your phone to record. And if you want to learn how to use it in different software and how you can set that up, I'll have other videos. I'll link them in the description, or I'll have a card in the top right to the videos. And alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the App Store and search up Droid Cam, and you're going to need to download the first app that comes up here, Droid Cam wireless webcam, and it's got the green logo. Wait for that to download. I'm going to open it. Once I'm here, it will come up with Droid Cam for iOS. Thank you for you downloading Droid Cam for iOS, and now it'll come up with the steps to set it up. So the first thing I need to do is go to the website, which I'm going to do now. Alright, so I'm now going to put in the URL for the website to download the Windows client so I can run the webcam on my computer. So, alright, so now that I'm here, you want to scroll down to where it has the Windows client option. You don't want to click the App Store or anything. You want to click the Windows client because you've already got the thing on your phone. You just need to have it on your computer so you can connect. Alright, so now I'd recommend getting the Apple and Android one. That will work for either which one your phone you are using, Apple or Android. And so now I'm gonna download it, and once I've downloaded, I'm going to open it up. Alright, so now we're going to finish the installation process and it's going to install. And once we have that, we can now open up the app. And so from your phone, you're going to need to get the device IP and Droid Cam port, and that will just tell you on the app. So I'll bring up what it's. Alright, so that's what it's going to say on the app when you load in. And alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put that information into the client on the computer. Alright, so what I've done, I've just put it in, and now I'm going to click next. Originally there will be an error, and so what you need to do is you need to accept these, allow access to your microphone for when you're recording, and you're going to click OK, as well as for camera. Alright, so now whenever you have the app open on your phone and have it open on the computer and you've clicked next, it will show up with whatever your front facing or back camera are doing or seeing on your phone. So you can switch between front and back camera on the app. You'll need to rotate, if you're using the free version, you'll need to rotate the phone so it's the right way, because it will stay, as you can see here, I rotate like that, and if I have it vertical, it's just gonna stay like that and just be vertical. You can use, there's a rotate button there on the computer app, but you need the pro version for that. Alright, so there's a few more steps to make this actually useful, so you can actually have it in like apps and have it running and recording. So I like keeping my videos nice and short. So I'm going to make another video, or maybe a couple of other videos showing you how to use it in different apps. Otherwise I'd have like a 20-minute video here. I don't really want to do that. So I'll leave links in the descriptions to videos. So I'll probably have one on like how to use your phone as a webcam in Zoom, or how to use it in like OBS if you're trying to like stream or record videos. How you can use it in Skype, how you can use it as a basic webcam on your actual computer, like in the camera. Alright guys, so as usual, if you're new here, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, as well as leaving a like if you enjoyed this video. Anyway, so I'd like to thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you go check out the other videos if you need to know how to do any of that. And alright, I'll like to see you again.